welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to use my UltaBeauty DIY Hydrating Kit. I got this a while back and I've been meaning to use it, but it's just been sitting around. But what perfect time then when you need to exfoliate your face and doing a fun little DIY skincare regimen. So we're going to try this out and see what all the tea is about with this one. So for this kit, it has some powders in here that you need to combine together. It's kind of like a little science experiment in a way, and it has a lot of good ingredients in the product. It has kaolin, I believe that's what it's called. Really good at getting into your pores and cleaning those. It has hyaluronic acid, which is great for hydrating, which this kit is for hydration. I tried one of these kits before and it was for, I believe, like pore clearing, and it was really nice and fun and it worked. I really liked it. And this one is a different one that I chose. So you get the gentle polishing grains, the powder to cream clay mask, and a hyaluronic acid ginseng extract booster drops. Everything you need to get started with your exfoliation. I'm going to get into this. I'm going to put my hair up, I'm going to cleanse my face, and then I'm going to get back to you with how to use these three products. To get started with making the exfoliator, I'm going to use my favorite face cleanser, which is the Mad Skin Salicylic Cleansing Gel. I'm going to put some in my hand, like so. Close that up, put it off to the side over here. And then I'm going to take the polishing granules and start to put a little bit into my hand. And this one is quartz and chamomile extract. Open that up. It smells so good. It smells like roses. So fresh. This is the gentle polishing grains, as you can see right here. I'm just going to put some in my hands, just like that. I'm going to emulsify it in my hands, and then exfoliate my face. My face feels amazing. It feels so clean, refreshed, nourished. Really feels like I got rid of a lot of that dead skin cells and now I have radiant new skin. It's not a tough, harsh exfoliator. Very gentle for your skin. It gets the job done without damaging your skin, which I love, and it has a great scent. I am definitely a fan for sure. It feels so good. My face even has like a glow to it. I don't know if you guys can see it at this angle. Sorry. Once again, I haven't got a new tripod yet, so working on that. So for the time being, I'm gonna make things try to work. So really sorry about that. I'm going to do the face mask part, but I don't have a bowl, so I'm just going to use my hands and massage it all in my hands basically. So we're going to do everything right here. This is our bowl, but it says to begin with clean skin that's dry. Already did that. Add 1 teaspoon of powder to cream clay mask to a small mixing bowl. Add a few drops of water and then begin to stir the mixture until it's like a good clay-like consistency, and you can add more powder if you need. And then you can apply the mixture to your face and then let the mask settle and then rinse it off. You can add this booster to your mask to make it more of a potent hydrating clay mask. Instead of just like one that dries your skin out, you can add this to add a boost of hydration. This one has kaolin and French pink clay. I'm going to open that up, I'm going to pour some in my hand, just some, just like so. Add some water. And I'm going to emulsify it in my hands until it makes a clay consistency, like so. Oh, it feels really good. Okay, I'm going to apply it to my skin. I think that's all I need right now. Starting out with like one layer. It feels so good. It smells really good too. Oh yeah. I think this is enough. Should be. We'll let it dry down. I think we have the right consistency. I think we got it right this time, even though we didn't use a bowl. I don't know what happened. I think it leaked out from the package, so I don't know. There's not a lot of booster, but we're going to add what we have in the dropper to our hand and massage it into our hands. That smells really good. And we're going to massage it into the clay mask. Yeah, I think we did a really good job. I like that you get a lot of product in the packages of it leaked out, but still you get a good size if you get the full, you know, bottle. But there's still a lot in here, so awesome. I can really feel that clay mask drying. I know it doesn't look like I have a clay mask on, but I can feel it, and it's really drying down. I think the thinness of the mask is actually going to be more beneficial than something just hard and chunky, so I like this. I like just mixing it in my hand, like, you know, free range, and then putting it on my face instead of like mixing it in a bowl. Just, I really like this method. I think this is a really good DIY hydrating kit if you really want to like customize your skincare and like make your own little fun concoctions. You really could with this kit. And this one is I believe $20 from UltaBeauty, so definitely go and pick yourself up one of these. They have a wide range of DIY masks that you can use. They have ones for like dry skin, oily skin, combination, all types of skin. They have you covered with these little fun products. You get so much for your money in this product. You get an exfoliator, you get a mask, you also get some booster droppers to help enhance your experience. I really like that. Well worth it. If you can find these at Ulta, give it a try. Let me know in the comment section below if you try them, and let me know your experience with the DIY kits. I would love to hear from all of you, and I hope you guys enjoy it once you make a purchase. So I want to thank all of you for joining me on this skincare DIY facial and letting me try the DIY hydrating kit from UltaBeauty. If you guys all like this video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. Really appreciate it. The mask is working. Look at that. I am so happy. Subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.